ايه
بتلاقيه
ثاني يوم
بالليل.
بلاقيه.
طب لاقيه امبارح، هاي امبارح لما حلتيه؟ انا امبارح بالليل شيكت على الساعة 12 بالليل، ما كنتي حليتي.
مس
Miss, don't unmute yourself. Raise your hand before unmute yourself. I want to talk. كمان مرة بحكي يا سادس، ما حدا يجي آخر السنة يحكي لي من وين علامتي إجت. حضوركم بالأونلاين سيشن موجود عندي، دفتري موجود جنبي هيو. كل الهوم ورك اللي أنا بطلبها موجودة جنبي. إذا أنت ما بعتي الهوم ورك ما تسأليني من وين علامتي صارت هيك. كل إشي عم بنحسب، إحنا ما عم نضيع وقت، إحنا عم ندرس، عم نعطي حصص وعم ندرس. لو سمحتوا، سارة وصلتني رسالة سعادة، لو سمحتوا ما تضيعوا وقتكم وما تحلوا وتفكروني مش منتبهة أو دفتري بالمدرسة. دفتري معي وبورجيكم صورة منه. دفتري معي. Is it clear؟ هلا اللي بده سؤال تفضلي لين تنيني.
teacher, first I كنت مسمع ألاقي الواجبات and then I search إنه كيف ممكن ألاقي فطرت أحلهم وخلص. فتيتشر امبارح وصلك الهوم ورك تاعي ولا لأ؟ أنا عشان حليته.
وصلني يا قلبي. بلس إني أنا هديك المرة ورجيتكم وين بتلاقوا الواجبات بالهوم ورك سكشن، وكيف تعملوا كوبي لللينك وبتفتحوها وبتعملوا سبمت. بلس إنه اللي مهتم زي مثلا امبارح صار على أساس مهتمة بعثت لي مسج، في قبليها مثلا سهى مهتمة حلت الهوم ورك وصورت لي اياه وبعثت لي اياه على الانبوكس لانه صار معها ظرف وما حلته على اللينك. هذا بخليني ما انقص علامات. اما الاقي عدم اهتمام
sorry.
Yes, Nada.
I just want to ask if you got my homework.
Okay, wait. Nada. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Tasneem.
Teacher.
Yes, Tasneem, ask.
بس رح تحكي إنه ليش أنا ما ببعث لك في بعض الهومورك ما ببعث لك إياهم لأنهم بيكونوا الPDF. هلا اللي لسه حولتيهم على هذا التطبيق بحلهم بس بنسى أبعثهم.
لا تسنيم مش حجة، أنا آسفة. أنا كيف بدي أعرف إنك حليتي؟ هذا رابع هوم ورك أنا عم حولته على هذا الإشي أسهل لكم من آيباد من موبايل من أي إشي بتستعملوه، فأنا آسفة مش حجة تسنيم.
اوكي هلا يعني يا مس عادي انه من هلا ابلش انه ابعث لك انه احل وابعث لك كيف تحسبي لي اياهم صح؟
اللي طبعا من هلا يعني انا اللي قبل في عليهم علامات واللي من هلا عليهم علامات.
اوكي.
يس نور حنة.
من شفتي تاعونها.
يس نور حنة هلا بحكي لك يا ديما حاضر.
يس نور مس هو هلا انا بعثت لك يا بس هو في عندهم علامات، هدول علامات يعني
لا انا بحكي عن علامات الهوم ورك لانه انت يا شايفه هذا سيستم ممكن
ما هو علامات
ممكن ايش يحسبه غلط. انت ما لك دخل في علامته، انا بطلع على الحل من عندي.
انت يعني ما بتحسبي العلامة؟
لا مش العلامه اللي تنبعث لك، هذا سيستم لانه ممكن يكون ماخذ رقم انت كاتب فيه غلط زي ما بصير دائما.
واذا مس
ملاك
هاي العلامة ايش بتدل؟
ملاك
Teacher, yeah. هلا yesterday I didn't send you it because it didn't work. عاد بالعادة it always worked, but yesterday it didn't work.
Try today when we finish now.
Okay.
Yes, Selma.
تيتشر امبارح انا جربت ابعث لك الهوم ورك اللي عملته وبعت لك اياه بس بقى لما اليوم الصبح فتحت الاي سكول بعت لك يعني على الاي سكول فتحت الاي سكول بحكي لي couldn't send. بعرفش ليش.
سلمى ليه ما فتحت اللينك وعملتي سبميت؟
كيف يعني؟
ايش كيف يعني سلمى؟ ارجعي إلى فيديو من الفيديوهات بنرجع الاي سكول فيها لينك عند الهوم ورك صح؟ اوكي بتفتحي على اللينك هذا بيفتح لك صفحه فيها الهوم ورك، بس اكتبي لي الاجوبه اللي انا بدي اياها واعملي سبميت توصلني.
طيب ماشي.
اوكي مين كمان؟
تيتشر وصل تبعي؟
وصل هلا بحكي لكم الاسماء.
بس طيب عادي teacher yesterday مش حكيت لك عن homework The first time I do the online homework, the link does not work.
هلا رغد عشان انا احل موضوع الهوم ورك مع الكل رح ارجع اورجيكم هوم ورك لرابع كيف لما تفتحي بيطلع لك وكيف تعملي again. Wait. This is the Google that you are opening. Imagine that you are opening eSchool. In the homework section, you're gonna have a link. If it works like this, click it. If it doesn't work, just what you're gonna do is highlight the link. Right click, copy. Can you see the copy? Then go here. Right click again, paste, enter. What will you get? You will get the homework lesson and the page. Now, مين يحكي لي what do we mean by this? The form is no longer accepting responses. يعني خلص وقت الهومورك. يعني اللي بيطلع له هذه الصفحة خلص وقت الهومورك. يعني أنا مو حاطة الهومورك طول الأسبوع تحلوه في له وقت معين.
مس طيب هذا الهوم ورك اليوم نقدر نحله؟ أنا حليته بس نقدر اليوم نحله؟
نور كلامي واضح. So if you have this page, if you have this page, no longer accepting. If you don't have this page, so it will work and you're gonna solve it and submit it for me. Is it clear? فما في حجة هلا تحكوا لي فتح ما فتح مش فاهمة.
طب تيجي انت
What؟
اخذتي تبعي الهوم ورك؟
بصير هلا لو سمحتوا تنزلوا ايديكم مش راح اسمع ولا شيء عن الهوم ورك. اللي حلوا الهوم ورك
مس أنا ما عندي هوم ورك.
بي ألما جوري ريا زينة كيالي زينة أبو حرب ليان سميني مايا ويارا. شفتوا المأساة؟
تيجر أنا حليته.
مش هيني عم بحله.
رغد ما راح استقبله هلا أنا عندي حصة.
تيجر أنا حليته.
اللي حله من 6C جنى بدير جنى عبد الرحمن رند عبد الرحمن سهى مريم ندى ونور حنو. فتخيلوا بس هدول 38 بنت. خلاص لو سمحتوا ما حدا يحكي لي حليته ما وصلك. هيني قلت لكم بالضبط شو تعملوا واخر مره راح احكي عن الهوم ورك مش صغار انتوا. سبميتد واللينك واضحه.
Today we have a homework, right?
Nada, don't unmute yourself without permission. This is the last attention for you. Yes, Sarah Asaf. Sarah Asaf.
There was an error.
Sarah Asaf, take a screenshot for the error so I can know what's your mistake. And I'm gonna try to send it on eSchool so you can solve it. Then Abu Harb, your question.
مس امبارح كان باعت لي انه دروس المحاضرة عادي، فتحته ما كان راضي، فرحت انا على الهوم ورك عشان يرضى يفتح معي عادي.
About what you are talking, the homework or the
lesson ما رضى يفتح معي الا لما فتحته على الهوم ورك.
Miss, you can find it in the lesson, in the section of the lesson and in the notes كمان. عم بحطه مرتين أنا على فكرة مس.
اوكي.
Okay. Nada, again.
Teacher, my question is that we have homework, right?
Yes,
today.
Of course.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start now. Area. Yesterday or before yesterday, we're done with the perimeter. Now, first step, we said here, what should we find? What should we find? Yes, Yara Abu Eid. No, Yara Abu Rob.
The missing link.
The missing link. This is the missing link. How can we find it, Yara?
You do 6 plus 4.
Yes, 6 plus 4 because it's the same of this. This is 6 plus 4 and it's the same of this. So what's the missing over here, Yara?
10 meters.
10 meters, thank you. Now, if we want to find the perimeter, who wants to remind me? Layan Tamimi, can you find the perimeter?
Yes.
يلا.
Add 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 10 plus 7.
Yes. So if we want to find the perimeter, we're gonna add all of them, which are 10 plus 11,
And
7 and 4 plus 10, which is down. What's the answer?
is it 32 or 31? 32, I think.
Why 32? 31.
31. Oh.
Okay. Now, last time we wanted to start with the area, and we said that to find the area, we should divide the shape into two shapes. What should we do? What should we do? Okay, again, before I continue, did all of you write your name in the chat? I'm taking absence.
Yeah.
Welcome يافا، أخيرا بينتي يا ميت، أهلا وسهلا.
Mes Reem,
Yes, زينة.
teacher, you forgot an angle between 6 and 4.
Oh, excellent, Zena.
Yeah, I got that.
Excellent. So we forget one. Let's do it again. So here we have 10 meters. What about this line? Zena, can you give it to us?
7 minus 4 equals 3.
Excellent. Why? Because all of this is 7. And what do we have from the 7?
4.
4. What's left over here?
3.
3 meters. So what should we do now again? Let's do the perimeter again, Layan Tamimi.
24.
Okay. So the answer is 34.
Yes, so 31 plus 3, which is 34 meters. Okay, now you are raising your hands. Do you have any question about perimeter? Perimeter, Mariam? No? Okay. Now let's start area. How to find the area? If we divide the shape into two shapes, what do we have now? What do we have now? Yes, Selma, what do we have?
Teacher, I raised my hand because I just want to tell you that I didn't understand how to do like when you divide the shape into two shapes.
Okay, I didn't do anything yet. Look, what did I do? Now, take a line from any vertex you want and just divide the shape into two shapes. Why? Because we know just the area for the rectangle and we know just the area for the square. So now, if I divide it like this, I have here square and I have here rectangle. Is it clear, Selma, why?
Yes.
And I'm gonna show you after this if I divide it into another way. Okay? Okay. So here, Sarah Asaf, do you have a question or you want to answer with me?
No, teacher, I just wanted to answer.
Okay, so here, yes, Sarah, I have here area 1, for example, and I have area 2. And here, area 2. Let's start by 1. What's the shape, Sarah Asaf?
16.
What's the shape? Is it rectangle or square, as you see?
It's a square.
Square. From where do you know, ya Asaf? Tell them.
From where do I know the area or the shape?
No, that it's a square.
Because the sides are the same.
Because the sides are the same. So here is 4 and here is 4. So what's the area for this shape, ya Asaf, again?
16.
Yes. Again, tell me, what did you multiply? Remind them, what is area?
4 times 4.
4 times 4, which is length times width, which is 16 meters to the power of 2. Thank you, Asaf. Now,
4.
what? Who asked? Okay. Now, we have the second area, which is this shape. Who wants to show me the area of this shape? Area 2. Yes, Yara Abu Rob.
6 times 7.
6 times 7. Why did you choose 6 times 7?
Because it's a rectangle. Length times width.
A rectangle, and the width for the rectangle is 6.
Length times,
times
42.
width, which is 7.
42.
42 meters to the power of 2. Excellent. Now, Joanna, how do we find the total area for the shape?
We add 16 plus 42.
Total area, it means area total equals 16 plus 42, which is
58.
58. Thank you. Now, who has any question about this? Yes, Abu Harb. No, Maya. Okay. Now, I want to show you that the same question if we want to solve it in another way. So, I will just erase this one, and this one, and this one. Why? Okay. Now, if I want to do it in another way, how can I do it? How can I divide the shape into two shapes? Yes, Dima.
You divide them into two rectangles. يعني ما بعرف.
Okay, vertically.
Yeah, like this.
Okay, so forget about this line with the red because I can't erase it. So we have here, Yadima, two rectangles. This is the first rectangle. Let it be area 1. And where is the second rectangle, Yadima?
You are somebody that I don't know.
Nada, don't unmute yourself. Next time I'm gonna remove you. Yes, Yadima.
إيش إيش
What's the second area, which is
area
area 2? Okay, I said forget about this red. So I have the blue rectangle and I have the pink rectangle. Who wants to give me the area for the first one? Yes, yeah, Maya.
3 times 6.
3 times 6, excellent. 18. Asil, are you here? Asil. Janabdir, can you give me the area for 2? Janabdir.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what's the area for 2? Can you see the blue rectangle?
28.
How do you know that it's 28? Show me first the length of the blue rectangle.
4 multiplied by 7.
Now, this 7, it goes for all of this على فكرة يا جنى.
4.
So, this is the length or the width for the rectangle, correct. Now, what is the other side of the rectangle, which is this?
10.
10. So, what's the answer again, ya Jana?
40.
4 times 10, which is 40. Thank you. Who wants to find the total area? Total area, Jana Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what's the total area? How do we find it?
58.
58. We add 40 plus 18, which is 58. Now,
Teacher, can I ask a question?
can you just wait just a minute?
Yes.
Now, can you see here? The total area here is the same as the total area here. So if we divide the shape vertically or horizontally, will we get the same total area? Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Jana Abdurrahman asked before I continue.
No, I was just going to ask you what is the difference between the way you did an area and no.
I just want to
First
show you
way.
that if you divide, for example, you divided vertically, Rand want to divide it horizontally. Did we get the same answer?
Yes.
Okay. Do we have any other way to solve?
What, the area?
No?
The area?
Yes. No,
I don't
right?
think so. No.
Okay.
Mes Reem, I have a question.
Yes, yes, Abu Harb.
Me too.
Why did we get the 10? I didn't. This part didn't understand it.
Zena,
6 plus 4.
Zena, did you study the lesson yesterday? Did you do the perimeter, Zena?
Yes, I did.
Okay, this length, from where should I put it? From where should I get it?
Okay, فهمت.
Wake up.
Teacher,
Yes, Alma.
ليش مش 4 times 4؟ ما هو هاي اللينث وهاي الويدث.
Alma, جهزي حالك للأسئلة. Alma, can you see this rectangle?
Yes.
Okay. This 4 is just for what? Which one? Just for this side.
Okay.
Okay, so miscolor the rectangle like I did so you know where is the length and where is the width.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Asaf, question.
No, teacher, I forgot to lower my hand.
Nada.
Yes, teacher, can we do only one way or do we have to do both ways?
Why do you have to do both ways?
No, I'm just asking.
I'm answering you. Do you have to do both ways? I'm showing you that if you did it like this or if you did it like this, you will get the same answer. So it's up to you how to divide the shape.
Okay.
Yes, Mariam.
Now, teacher, if we add them and then multiply them by their angles, will we get the same answer?
You multiply them by what?
If we add them and then multiply them by their angles.
Why do you want to multiply by angles? We are finding area. Area is length times width.
Oh.
Yes, Nur Hinno.
Teacher, can we divide it the areas by 3, like square, rectangle?
Like this shape?
Yeah.
Yes, but it will be harder for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Layam Hamdan.
Sorry, teacher, I raised it by accident.
It's okay. So no other question? Okay. Now let's go. This is the explanation that you're gonna find it in the PowerPoint. Now let's do this. Who wants to start by the shape? What's the first step? The same. New names. Yes, Alma, let's start the first step.
Divide the shape.
Before divide. Hey. Okay. Let's find the missing lines first.
Okay.
So where is the missing? Here we have one missing. What is it?
صح. شوي. 5 plus 3.
Plus?
5 minus 3.
Excellent. What is it?
2.
2 meter. Excellent, Alma. What about this?
شوي. 7 minus 4.
Excellent. What is it?
3.
Alma. Thank you. Now let's divide the shape. New names. يلا نور حنة. Divide the shape. نور حنة. Okay, Selma.
It's the 3 and the 2 alone. It's a rectangle.
Okay, you mean like this?
Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah, tell me. So we have here the first rectangle with the blue.
Yes.
And let me change the color. We have here second rectangle, right? Find the first
Is this
area.
a square or rectangle?
How do you know if it is a square or rectangle?
Oh, لا, it's a rectangle.
Yes, because of the sides. So,
Yes.
area 1. Find area 1, ya Salma.
2 times 3
2 times 3
equals 6.
6 meters to the power of 2. Thank you. Sarah Daqqa, can you find area 2? Sarah Daqqa. Alia.
I want to play him.
Alia.
Tell me, teacher.
Malak.
Okay, area 2.
Yes.
We will do 4 plus 3.
Plus, we are finding area.
Oh, sorry. 4 times 3.
Times 3. Now, can you see the red one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the length. Great. Is this just the width? Till here?
What?
This is the length of the rectangle. Is this just
Okay.
the width till here?
No.
Okay, so where is the width?
The width. I can't understand, teacher.
What you should multiply? Can you see the rectangle over here?
Yeah.
Okay, now this is the length, right? That you told me it's 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now is this the width for the rectangle?
No.
Okay, so where is the width of the rectangle, ya Malak?
The width.
Yes,
Is it the 7?
7. You said 7. This 7 is all of this. Is it 7?
No.
Okay, so what is it?
It's 5.
Yes, because let's check. This is the 5. Is it the width?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's supposed here to be what? 4 times?
4 times 5.
Excellent, which is?
20.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, total area.
Teacher, why not 7 times 5?
Why not what?
7 times 5.
Did you see the 7?
Ah,
Okay, what is it?
7. It's a length.
Okay. Almo,
Ah,
all of this is 7.
yes.
Okay, and we are talking about area 2. We need just till here.
أوكي. طب
Okay.
عادي 7 times 5 عادي.
Alma,
Ah,
we are talking about this rectangle with the red. Can you see it?
yes.
Okay, so we are talking about the length till here just.
Okay.
Okay, Alma, tell me the total area.
شوي. 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3.
What? Area 1 is 6. Area 2 is 20. What's the total area?
Okay. 26.
26. Thank you. Okay,
Welcome.
now, who wants to give me, who wants to do it in another way? So we found that the area is 26. Let's check if we make it in another way. Who wants to divide the shape into another way? Zain Yunus. Zain Yunus.
Yes.
Let's divide it. How do we divide it?
The rectangle from up, like
Up?
No.
Horizontally?
Yes.
Okay, so we have now two rectangles. The first one, this one, so it's area 1, and the second one, which is what? This one, area 2. Start with area 1, yeah, Zain, and give me what is it?
7 times 2 equals 14.
Area 1 equals 7, because all of this is the length, times 2, because this is the width, which is 14. Thank you. Layan Hamdan, I didn't hear you today. Can you do rectangle 2, please?
But teacher, the two, like,
Yes, ask. What about the 2?
no, teacher, I mean like the two rectangle are not the same size.
Same side. What do you mean by same side? Okay, Layan Hamdan, where are you?
Hi, teacher.
Yalla Layan Hamdan. What's the area of number 2?
Okay.
Can you see it with the brown?
What?
Can you see the rectangle with the brown? Let me do it on
Yes.
yellow. Okay, here is it. What's the length for it?
Wait, teacher. Is it 1 multiplied by 4?
4 multiplied by what?
By 1?
1 from where did you get the 1?
And minus 3 from minus 4 from 3.
Oh, okay, wait. Now, what is the length? You mean this 4 is the length?
Yes, this is the length.
Okay, amazing. Where is the other side, which is the width? Where is it?
The 3?
Let's check if it is the 3. This one goes for the 3, so is it 3? Yes, it's a 3. From where did you get the 1?
And minus 4 from 3.
Why
So
4? Where is
no,
the
it's
4?
4 multiplied by 3.
So it's 4 times 3, which is 12.
12.
Okay, Layan Khufash.
Thank you.
Thank you, Layan. Layan Khufash.
Yes.
What's the total area now?
26.
Yes, 14 plus 12, which is 26. So we get the same area. If we divide it in the two shapes, we're gonna have the same area. Is it clear, girls?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go to another example that has another way to solve.
Teacher, I want to answer.
Here, we can divide the shape into 3 shapes, right? Let's divide it into 3 shapes and solve it. Then I'm gonna give you another way to solve. Look how. Who wants to start? Dima, you asked me you want to start? Yeah, start.
Divide them.
First, find the missing numbers.
Oh, okay.
This one.
This one is 7.
Excellent. And this one?
This one is 1.
1, because 4 minus 2, it will be 1 here and 1 over here. And this one?
How do I know?
How do you know? Look carefully.
Oh, it's 2. Sorry.
Okay, 2 meters. Now divide the shape.
It's يعني next to the 2 يعني sides.
Do you want it horizontally or vertically?
Which one's up?
Up? Vertically?
Yes.
Okay. And here?
The same thing.
Okay. Thank you. Who wants to continue? Noor Makra'i, you was raising your hand. What do you want?
No, it was just by the wrong way.
Okay, so can you solve area 1 for us, please, Makra'i?
Okay. Teacher, I did not understand the lesson very much.
Why? What's the area, Makra'i? What do we mean by area?
Area is 2 meters.
No. How do we find area for rectangle or square? We multiply length times width. So can you see the shape? Area
Yes.
1. Where is
Yeah.
the length for the shape?
2 meters.
2 meters. And the width?
1 meter.
Okay, so multiply 2 times 1. What's the answer?
2.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yara Abu Eid, can you find area 3?
Okay. Okay. We should multiply 7 times 4.
So, you said 7. Look carefully, ya Yara Abu Eid. Miss,
Yeah.
all of you listen to me carefully. These will be your mistakes always. You said 7, but you didn't notice that this 7 goes for all of this line. And we need just this line. How do we find it? All of it is 7. And
Yeah.
what do we know from the 7? What part do we know from the 7?
2.
2. So minus 2.
2.
What's the answer that we need?
5.
So this one, which is down, this line is what, Yara Abu Eid?
5.
5. Now, area 3, we're going to find it what?
5 multiplied by 4.
5 multiplied by 4, which is?
20.
20. Thank you.
Okay.
What is area 3? Area 2, it's the same of area 1, which is 2 times 1, 2 meters. 2. To find the total area, we're going to add all of them. 2 plus 2 plus 20, which are 24. Now I want to show you the other way to solve. Is this step clear?
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes.
How did we find 5? Because I didn't really focus.
Okay, Malak. This 7 goes for all of this line. Can you see the line?
Yeah.
Okay, but we need just a part of this line. 7 minus 1. What's this part? It's given here. What is
This
it?
part it's a 2.
So 7 minus 2 is 5.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Now, I'm gonna give you another way to solve. Look carefully. Here we have, lower all of your hands and listen to me. Here we have a shape. If we continue the shape like this, what we will get here? Here, what's this? Rectangle. Can you see the green one? It's rectangle. Is it clear? Okay. And inside the rectangle, what do we have over here? A square. Is it clear?
Yes.
So if we call all of this rectangle, all of it again, this one, no, in another color. If we call all of this rectangle, can you find the area for this rectangle? All of it. Let it be area 1 with the red one. Area 1. Who wants to give me the area for this rectangle, the whole rectangle? Maya.
I know, I think.
Maya.
4 times 7.
4 times 7 because it's a whole rectangle. Who doesn't know from where do we get them?
28 meters.
Who doesn't know from where did I get 4 and 7? So clear? We have a whole rectangle. It's a big rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 4. The width of the rectangle is 7. We multiply 4 times 7. We get 28. For the red one. Is it clear?
But
I'm
teacher,
gonna write it over here. What?
في space بالوسط so يعني نحسبها.
It's كيف بدي أكمل هيني. Now, can you see the yellow one?
Yeah.
It is a square. Can you find for me the area for this square? This square, what is it?
2 times 2.
Area 2, which is 2 times 2, which is
4.
4.
The power of 2.
Now.
28 minus 4.
Okay, thank you. But now we have a shaded part and we have unshaded part. And we continue the rectangle as one part, but we have this square. It's not a part of the rectangle. So should we add it like we did, or should we subtract it?
Subtract it.
Subtract it. So 28 minus
4.
4.
Which is 24.
Which is
24.
24. Is it the same of the last answer we answered?
Yes.
Teacher, I didn't understand this point.
عادي.
Which one? Judy, question?
No, I just wanted to answer.
Okay, who has a question about it? Yes, Tasneem, what's your question?
Teacher, I didn't understand why we subtract.
Because
2
can you see
minus-
the shape over here, ya Tasneem?
Yes.
This part is empty, right?
Yes.
What we did before 2 minutes is we imagine that we have over here a whole rectangle. And inside this rectangle, we have another square. So after we find the area of the rectangle and the area of the square, we subtract them. Why we subtract them, dear? Because again, let me clear, it's not a part.
Because it's empty part.
Yes, it's empty. It's not a part of the rectangle.
Okay, thank you.
Joanna, question?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher, when you search the shaded part and the
Again,
non-shaded,
Joanna, it's not clear. Again.
the shaded and the non-shaded parts, do they affect on the perimeter?
That mess, don't do it in the perimeter. It's another way.
So it doesn't change.
What?
The perimeter doesn't change, we add.
I can't hear you. It doesn't
change.
We don't solve the perimeter like this. Don't use this way to solve the perimeter. Perimeter is adding just.
Okay.
Okay, Joanna? Okay, here. Here, the last question here. Judy, you wanted to answer. Can you read? Judy?
Yes.
Yes, can you read, please?
Okay. Connor is painting the front of his house. The tin of paint he has can cover 16 meters squared. Will he have enough paint? You must show your workings.
Yes. What should we do?
We should figure out the area of the whole rectangle.
Okay.
7 times 3, 21.
Okay.
Then the 2 rectangles inside, the small ones, area number 1. 1 point times 2. 1 second. 2.6 and
And the other one, area number 2, 0.9 times 2, 1.8.
Okay.
Minus them from 21.
Okay.
Add them, then subtract them from 21.
Then? Did you find it? Julie, are you with us?
Yes.
So while you find them, I'm gonna explain it again because I'm sure that they have a question. The tin of paint can cover 16 meters to the power of 2. All of you, can you see the shape? So this one is colored and this one is colored. We want to continue coloring the white part. So what Julie did is she found area 1, area 2, area 3. Is it clear this step or you have a question? Maya, question? Okay, so area 1, to find it, it's easy. 2 times 1 to the 1.3, which is 2 and 6. Area 2, which is also the colored, 0.9 times 2, which is 1.8. Area 3 is all of the rectangle, all of it. Imagine that we don't have anything in it. So it's a 3 times 7, which is 21. Now, is this step clear? Girls, is this step clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Now we need to find the area of the white shape. So area 1 and area 2 are what?
Shaded.
Are shaded. So let's add them. They are 2.6 plus 1.8 or
4.4.
4.4. Now, area 3, which is all of the rectangle, what should I do with it?
Subtract it with the 4.4.
Subtract 21 minus 4.4. What's the answer? We put here 0, decimal point, then we subtract. It's gonna be 16.6. So we need 16.6 to paint the white shape. Is it enough?
Yes.
Yes, do you think it's enough? We have here 16 meters to the power of 2 and we need 16.6. Is it enough?
No.
Is it enough, guys?
No.
Who said it's enough?
It's not enough.
Yes, because we need 16.6 and we have just 16
And
meters
it
to the
only
power of 2.
covers 16 meters.
Yes, there is 0.6. It will not be covered. Another question?
20.
Another question?
Teacher, no, I just forgot to lower my hand.
Nurhin, no question?
Yes, teacher. Why it's not enough? Because the sound was not clear.
Because here, ya Noor, read 16 meters to the power of 2. The 10 of paint has just can cover just 16 meters, and we need to cover 16.6.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Who wants to try to do this? The area. Suha.
First thing we do 2 times 1
Yes, so area 1. 2
equals
times 1.
8.
Okay, I will erase it. It's not 8. Who wants to tell me why it's 8? It's 8, but why it's 8? Jana Abdurrahman, do you know why it's 8?
I know, teacher.
Why it's 8?
Because 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8.
No.
Because
Do you know why it's 8?
Because I know why.
you did the 4 boxes.
Excellent, because each area 1 is 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4, plus 2, 6, plus 2, 8. So how many of area 1 do we have?
8.
4, which equals 8. Okay?
Teacher, can I just multiply like 2 times 4 and that?
2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus 2, 6. Plus 2, 8.
I know, like, can I just do it like 2 times 4?
No, you should show your work. It's better. Yes, Suha, continue. Area 2.
2.5 times 3, which is 7.5.
Okay.
Then we do 30 times 20, which is 600.
Okay.
Then 600 minus 7.5.
Just minus 7.5.
And minus the
And 8.
So 8 plus 7.5, 15.5. 600 minus 600 minus 15.5. What's the answer?
Um, 585.5.
Yes, this is by mistake. It's not 300, it's 600. Who has any question about the lesson today? Who has a
Teacher,
question? Yes, Malak.
and today we do have a homework.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Who has a question about the lesson?
Teacher, when is the homework going to finish? Yani, when am I able? When is the last day I will be able to send it to you?
I will write beside the homework, maybe on Saturday.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Who has a
Bye.
question? Okay, have a nice day. Bye.
bye, take care.
Bye, Marjorie.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
يا الله.